So here is the Writesonic full tutorial for beginners. Writesonic is an AI-powered tool that helps users create content, including articles, landing pages, and social media posts. It uses AI models trained on New World examples from top brands. So first of all, let's head over to the pricing section on Writesonic.com. On this page, you will get to see all their plans that they offer, starting with free, individual, standard, and enterprise. So go through them and choose whichever one that you want. If you scroll down this page, you will get to see more detailed information on each of the packages. And on the top right corner, you have the option to sign in or get started. So click on Get Started. On this page, you need to sign up for free. So put in your information on this page. Now, I can only see the option to sign up with email. So I will start off by putting in the full name. After that, you need to put in your email. Make sure that your email is a business email. Once done, just click on Sign up with email. Then, just wait for the verification to get completed. Now, you will receive a code in your email. So go to your email inbox and copy the code that you received from Writesonic. Then, just paste it over here. Then click on Verify and you will be redirected to the next page. Sometimes it may take a little while, so be patient. So on the next page, you need to select your professional role to optimize your experience with Writesonic. Choose one from the options and click Continue. Then select How can Writesonic supercharge your work? I will select to generate articles and blog posts. Then click Continue. Now select How did you hear about Writesonic? I will select YouTube and click on Done. And as you can see, we're now in the Writesonic dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, it will look something like this. You can see all the tools and elements that you need to get started with Writesonic. And here on the left panel, you can see all of these options, starting with Home. If you click on Home, you will be redirected to this page. Here on the top, you can type in your prompts. Scrolling down further, you will get to see all of these options that you can use to optimize your work. Then you have Content Templates. This is where you can see all the templates available on Writesonic. Now, let's head over to the left panel and check out History. So if you click on History, you will be redirected to this page. This is where you can see all your saved copies and folders. You can arrange them as folder view or list view using these options. And if you click on any of these folders, you'll be able to see all their contents over here. Now, let's go over to ChatSonic on the left panel. And as you can see, they're using Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. You can use Cloud from Writesonic to generate content, create images, search the internet for the latest information, analyze files, and much more. So just go ahead and type in whatever prompt that you want. As an example, I will type in something like iPhone battery health problem. So once I'm done typing it in, I will click Enter. And as you can see, the response is being generated right away. Like ChatGPT, it says it's searching the web, which is not possible for a lot of the AI models. And as you can see, based on our search, we got the results over here. It will give you the most recent and up-to-date information regarding your prompt. It will give you a detailed response depending on your needs. Now, let's go over to the left panel and click on All Canvases. This is an essential feature that can help you optimize your content or whatever that you're working on. Now, let's check out integrations on the left panel. So click on Integrations over here. After that, you will get to see a pop-up like this. This is where you can see all the integrations that are available. And as you can see, some of them are connected. You can also filter through categories on the left, such as connected, pending connection, and even upcoming. Now, let's go back to the main page. So here, let's check out AI Article Writer on the left panel. Using this feature, you can easily start your article journey. You have different writing modes that you can choose from, starting with 10 steps article, 4-step article, and instant article. So go through them and depending on your need, click to start. After that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. You can start off by putting in your topic. So type in your article topic on this section. For this video, I will type in something like tutorial, then set your target audience location and article language. Once done, on the next page, you need to select your article type. So go through these options and select your type. Then click Continue. After that, you need to select References. Here, you can add your own on the top, or you can choose top-ranking articles from the options here. For your own references, just enter the URL and click on Add. Or go through these options over here and choose the one that you want. After that, you need to select your primary keyword. On this section, you have the option to add your own, just like we saw before. So here, you need to type in your keyword on the top and click on Add. You also have recommended keywords over here. Just go through the list and choose whichever keyword that you want. As an example, I will select Tutorial Class and click on Continue. Up next, you need to select a title for your article. So here, you will get to see some suggestions that you can choose from. Choose whichever one that you want or add your own on the bottom and click Add. Once done, click on Continue. On the next step, you need to select secondary keywords. On this page, you can select up to 32 secondary keywords. So once you're done, go over to Configurations. This is where you can tailor your article. From the options here, you can select your article structure and length. Just go through these options and select the one that you want. You can also create your writing style from here. Use these options to create your writing style. After that, set the point of view for your article. And once you're done, click on Continue. Now, you will need to select headings. Wait for a while for this section to load up. And as you can see, all the options are being generated by Writesonic. You need to select an outline to structure your content. Here you have Outline 1 and Outline 2. Select one from these options or write your own and click on Continue. So on this section, you need to select the additional enhancements. So go through all the options and make any necessary changes. Lastly, you have the Generate Article section. Writesonic is now crafting each and every part of your article, so give it some time for it to finish up. Sometimes it may take a little while. And now it's done. As you can see, we now have a finished article based on the requirements that we set. If you scroll through the page, you'll be able to view your full article over here. Check out your article, and on the bottom left, you will get to see this download button. Just click on it to download your article. Or you can click on Start Editing on the bottom right and refine your article according to your needs. And now we are in the Writesonic editor. Using the features here, you can edit whichever part of your article that you want. You will get to see different tools that you can use on the top panel over here. Go through them and use whichever one that you want. Same way, you can scroll through the article and select whichever part of the writing that you want to edit, and you will get some options like this. So make all the necessary changes, and once you're done, you can click on Share on the top right corner, and you will get to see all the options available to publish your post. Or you can also download as doc, PDF, or HTML. We will go ahead and download as PDF. And that's it. That is the Writesonic full tutorial for beginners.